Team Sistem was established in 1999. Its production and office facilities are located in an industrial park in Nova Pazova near Belgrade and occupy the area of some 7,000 square meters. As early as in its first decades of existence, Team Sistem has assumed a prominent place in the production of wood furnaces and stoves in the West Balkans and Southeastern Europe. Most up-to-date machines give way to top quality and high efficiency. Development, testing, and control laboratory provides the ability for continuous improvement and matches all the more demanding and environmentally aware quality standards. Furnace models are coated with ceramics and contain top-quality fireproof glass, as well as top heat-resistant paints. Furnaces and stoves meet all the necessary EU standards in terms of emissions and energy efficiency.